This is Victor, and the purpose of this presentation is to talk about a very good versatile product that cleans different surfaces and garments very well. Here's a photo of that product, a container of Oxi Clean. This works so well that other makers of cleaning products have used the letters OXI or Oxy in their packaging. I suspect to influence shoppers to buy their product while shopping, trying to turn us shoppers into oxymorons, so to speak. Okay, I will talk about four of those products. Here's one product that uses the OXI letters in their name. I've seen this in some store. I can't remember exactly where I've seen it. I don't think this is very common. I've seen this in maybe one of those deep discount stores somewhere. Okay, here's another one. This bottle of All also has the letters OXI in it. Purex, there's another one that uses OXI letters in their packaging. And like I say, once again, they're trying to turn us into oxymorons or something. Oh, there's Oxy in the package. Okay, this is good stuff, so we're going to buy it. It doesn't work that way. It's not that simple. Okay, now it seems that Arm & Hammer has decided to partner with the makers of the real Oxi Clean. I think that may be a smart thing to do as opposed to simply adding the OXI letters to their package. And here's another photo of the real Oxi Clean. This stuff is truly versatile and can be used from bathroom to kitchen to clothes and works very well wherever I've used it. Thank you for watching.